My favorite cartoon since childhood is Tom and Jerry, and who doesn't know it? An idea came to my mind for a scene completely different from what we're used to. A sad scene where Tom discovers that Jerry is no longer in the house. The story begins with a quiet and dark house. Tom sits alone, looking at the place where Jerry used to come out every day. No sound of chasing, no chaos, just heavy silence. He recalls their memories, how they used to run, plan, and fight, but in their own way that carried something of fun and friendship. He returns to reality, walks slowly, and finds a small piece of cheese or something that belongs to Jerry, so he hugs it sadly. In the end, he sits in front of his hole, not to chase him this time, but to wait for him. But he doesn't come. The message of the story is painful and simple. Sometimes we realize the value of those who were in our lives after they disappear, even if they used to cause us trouble. And now, imagine that you can turn an emotional idea like this into a complete animated cartoon story with the same character, the same style, and without any errors or strange changes in just minutes. If you have tried AI animation before, you know the problem. Every scene looks like it's from a different world. The character changes, the features differ, and the style is lost. So you have to start over every time with high cost and using multiple tools. But today, things are completely different. There is one tool that brings everything together and gives you a smooth experience as if you are dealing with a real person. You can talk to it and request any modification easily to turn your ideas into professional cartoon stories, even if you are a beginner. Simply, the idea that was just a sad scene in your imagination can become a complete cartoon film that touches everyone's emotions. After registering in Flova, you will find the link in the first comment and in the description box. This tool allows you to create everything in one place, from character design to animation to adding sounds and voiceover, without losing the identity of the work or its style. And the best part, it combines the most powerful AI technologies in one platform, making the creative process faster, easier, and less expensive. I will directly ask it, create a sad cartoon story featuring Tom and Jerry characters in a 30-second video with the story details that we copied from ChatGPT. Here, you will find the best and most popular professional AI tools with the latest versions in one place, like Sora 2, Nano Banana Pro, Kling, Midjourney, Vdoo, and 11 Labs for voiceover. You can also add text in the form of a PDF for it to rely on, or add an image, video, or even audio to use it. After sending the prompt, you will find that Flova will respond with a question and most likely will give you 3 options related to the working method. All you have to do is choose one. You decide what suits you, so it can start creating all the scenes exactly as you want. Since I want to make a quick video and don't want to take too long experimenting, I will choose the fastest way to create this story. After that, the website will start working. I chose this style, designing the starting and ending images and converting them into video. The work suddenly stopped because I am using the free version, so I am forced to recharge some credits for only $19 per month and less than that if you pay annually. And this will save you a lot of money, because if you spend on other websites, you will pay around $20 for AI tools, $30 for image design, $50 for video, and $20 or more for audio, which is more than $120 per month. But Flova.ai combines all of this and more than 20 AI models for only $19 per month. Honestly, this is a huge difference in price compared to value. Imagine you want to create a scene. Instead of using 5 different tools, everything here is ready for generation and editing inside Flova, and you can control the results very easily, and the AI will learn your style and adjust future results automatically, and you can leave comments on any scene for the AI to change what you need in real time. As you can see, I told it to continue the work, And now I can wait until all images are generated and review them carefully. And I can now request changes or modifications or download any image before it is converted into videos, meaning I have full control over everything. The website has created some videos, didn't like a certain result. Normally, you would have to redo everything from the beginning. But with Flova.ai, you don't need that at all. You can simply go back to any previous moment in the project and start a new path from there, as if you are going back in time and changing the story as you want. You can try more than one idea, more than one ending, without losing the work you have done. I didn't like this scene. I will click on these dots simply, then ask it to create another video. Instead of this one, you can also manually edit the video and change the smallest details. And now there is no need to tire yourself arranging the videos and combining them. Just ask it, collect all the scenes, and you will move to another place called timeline or chronology. In French, whether you are a beginner or a professional, Flova makes it easy for you to arrange all clips on the timeline, and at the same time gives you the freedom to export the work to professional editing programs like CapCut or Premiere Pro. And now, let me show you the final result that I created using Flova.ai.
The house is quiet now. Just the dust dancing in the pale light, and memories of a time that feels so long ago. It used to be so loud, a never-ending game of chase, stolen cheese, and laughter echoing through these halls. But today, the only thing left of those golden days is a tiny red hat resting in the shadows. Holding it brings it all back. The rivalry that turned into the deepest friendship. You may be gone, old friend, but in my heart, you'll always be right here.
As you can see, the same character, the same style, and professional motion, without using multiple tools or complications. If you want to try Flova.ai yourself, use the link in the description, and you will get 200 credits immediately upon registration, in addition to 200 credits every week when you log in. There are also additional rewards when you complete your first project, and even when you invite your friends. I recommend you try it yourself, because it will truly change the way you create content.